Hi, my name is Greg Scher and I'm a chiropractor at the Sydney Spine and Sports Clinics. We've got branches in the city, in Double Bay and in Alexandria. And I'm going to show you a very good series of exercises to relieve tension in your low back and through your glutes, through your buttock region. So the first one we're going to do is sitting down, and this is a really good one to do on the train on the way into work or sitting at your desk while reading an email. And what you do is you bring your foot up, ankle onto knee, foot of the other leg below your knee joint, and bring this knee as close to in line with your ankle as possible. And keeping your spine ramrod straight, you just lean forward and you just feel tension through the left buttock. Holding that position with no bouncing for 20 to 30 seconds at the point of tension and not to pain. Once you've done that for 20 seconds, you can go straight into doing a muscle called piriformis. And what you do is you take the opposite arm and you draw your knee towards your opposite shoulder by hugging it in that bicep, supporting it more by taking the other arm over it and gently pulling your knee in that direction towards your shoulder, feeling the tension in a lower point in your buttock. Holding that there 20 to 30 seconds with no bouncing. We'll repeat those on the other side. So, looking at this one called the sign of 4. Knee in line with ankle, ramrod straight body, leaning towards your front. Holding that for 20 to 30 seconds. And then slowly drawing your knee towards your opposite shoulder, crook of my arm into the knee, and drawing my knee in that direction. Holding for 20 to 30 seconds, feeling the tension in my buttock. These can also be done lying down. So, onto your back. And what we do is draw the knee up in that position, reach through, and holding your knee in that position for 20 to 30 seconds. Same position is drawing your knee across to the opposite shoulder. And repeating on the other side. Drawing my knee up. And bringing my knee up towards the opposite shoulder. Very important with the stretch when you're doing it lying down is to not lift your head and your shoulders off the table, leaving your head hanging in space, because that could injure your neck. Thank you. I hope those exercises help you to relieve some of your low back and gluteal pain. And another good exercise to do for your back, just to help stretch out the lower elements of your back and even the side of your abdomen, is to do a reaching exercise, which is to stretch your left side, lifting your left arm up above your head. Actually look at your arm, keeping your pelvis in line, and just try and unravel or unfurl your spine upwards. Repeating on the other side. So very important to reach up, keeping your whole spine unfurled, keeping your hips level, and reaching up towards the sky and looking at your hand while you're stretching out. And a really good exercise is to go into extension. Just to put your hands in the small of your back, overlaying your hands with each other, and just leaning back through the area where your hands are resting. And just looking up at the sky. Almost as if you're doing the limbo. Hold that position, and then slowly come out of the position into neutral. Hang your hands down. If that position causes pain in your joints, it's very important to consult your healthcare professional.